In this series, I'm sharing tasty and ultralight backpacking recipes. This means that the meals will have a high energy to weight ratio and are fast and easy to make with just a few ingredients. Now, this recipe I've been thinking about for a while, because I wanted to make something complementary to Skurka's beans and rice, a modern classic in backcountry gourmet. If you don't know this recipe, you can watch it here. The goal was to create something that uses at least 3 of the same ingredients, and I think I've got something good here. For this beans and egg burrito, you are going to need a flour tortilla, 1 ounce of mashed potato powder, 1 ounce of dried beans, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese, 0.7 ounces of whole egg powder, or of course a whole egg, and 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning. Put the beans and tortilla in a big Ziploc bag. The mashed potato powder, cheese and taco seasoning can go in a smaller bag together. The egg powder needs a bag of its own. When you are ready for dinner, put 1 cup of water in your cooking pot and add the beans. Bring it to a boil, turn off the heat and let them rehydrate for 5 minutes. Now gently add the potato, cheese and taco mixture while stirring. Scoop the mixture on the tortilla. Put a 1/4 cup of fresh water in your pot, add the egg powder and stir till smooth. Fire up your stove again and make a nice scrambled egg that's still a little wet. Put it on your burrito and finish it off with some seasoning of your choice. I'm going for salt, parsley and chili flakes today. And there you go, your beans and egg burrito is ready. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more.